Hi friends, today we are going to discuss our second chapter linear equations in one variable. We know that in our class 8 exercise 2.3 there are a lot of equations given for solving. The first equation that 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So we can try to solve this equation 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Here only one variable x is there. So we have to find the value of x is equal to what will be the value of x that we are going to discuss. So to find the value of x is known as solution of the given equation. So we are going to practicalize some rules in this equation. Here 3x is there. So such a variables including terms, the terms which includes the variables that we can bring to the left side. So here on the right side, how to understand the left and right sides? Yes, by looking the equal symbol. This is the right side and this is the left side. So this variable including term is standing on the right side that we can bring to left side. So it will be minus 2x which is equal to 18. Now we know that 3x is minus 2x. 3 apple minus 2 apples equal to 1 apple. Similarly, 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x which is equal to 18. 1x means x. So x is equal to 18. 1 into x, x. So we got the solution of the first equation. Now we can end up to the second question. Here, second question is that 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Here also we can see the variable t. Instead of x in this question it is given t. So the t including terms we can bring to the same side, that means left side. So here 5t is there. This 3t is on the right side, that we bring to the left side it will be minus 3t. So we get minus 3t which is equal to. What is on the right side? Minus 5 is there. That should be written at first, minus 5. And this minus 3 transposed to right side, because all the variable including terms on the left side, the remaining all constants on the right side. So this minus 3 transposed to right side, it will be plus 3. So we get 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. 2t is equal to minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Now we have to understand here 2t means 2 into t. This 2 also we need to transpose to the right side. Then only we will get t is equal to. That means solution. So this 2 is multiplying with the t means that will be divided on here. Divided means we can write divided by 2. We know the cancellation 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means we know that 1 2 is there, 1 into 2. Here also 1 into 2. So 2 cancel, we get the answer 1 by 1. But one negative symbol is there, so we should be given here negative 1. So we get the answer t is equal to minus 1. Okay? Yes. Now we can go to third question. Third question, 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Here also the variable is x which is standing on the left and right side. So we can bring to the left side. Already 5x is there and this 3x brings to left side, it will be minus 3x and 5. This 9 transposed to right side, it will be minus 9 because here it is plus 9. That will become minus 9. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. So we get the answer x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2. X is equal to 4 by 2. We know that 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. So here the answer 2, but negative symbol is there. So x is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Okay. Here we have to understand 5 minus 9. Actually 9 minus 5, 4. But the question 5 minus 9 means we have to write negative symbol. Okay. So at last we got the answer x is equal to minus 2. Now our fourth question, 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Here the variable is z, here also the variable z is there. So the variable including terms we can bring to the left side. So 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. So 4z minus 2z is equal to 2z, 4 minus 2. 4 apple minus 2 apple is equal to 2 apple. So which is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So we get the answer z is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, clear? Yes. So this is the method of solving equation. We get the value of the variable. So we are going to next question, fifth question. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Here the x including term is there here also. So we can write this minus x brings to left side, it will be plus x. What is the symbol on the right? That will change. Inverse symbol will come. So here already 14 is there. Minus 1 goes to there, it will be plus 1. We know that 2x plus 1x is equal to 3x. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 divided by 3. We know that 15 divided by 3. 15 means we know that 3 into 5. There is 3 and 3 cancel. We get the answer 5. So x is equal to 5. Clear? Yes. So we are going to sixth question. Question number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. There is a speciality in this question. The x is coming in the bracket. So we have to remove the bracket at first. So we can remove the bracket. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x. We need to multiply each term because we studied a distributive property. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 3 and plus 7. So we can try to simplify this. So we get the simple equation 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. That means 7 minus 3 which is equal to plus 4. Biggest number is 7. Positive. So the answer will be positive. Now here is the variable including term here also. So we can write 8x. This plus 3x bring to left side. It will be minus 3x. And here 4 is there. This 4 transpose to there. It will be minus 4. So we got the answer 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 by 4. Because here 5 multiplying. If it is transposed to the division. So we get the answer x is equal to 0. Okay. Now next question. X is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. This 4 by 5 is multiply with x plus 10. So this is 5. This 5 is common for this all. So this 5 is standing on the denominator means it is on division. So this 5 we can transpose to left side. This division become multiplication. So 5 into x is equal to 4 into x plus 10. Got it? Now this bracket we need to remove. To remove the bracket we can multiply 4 inside the bracket. So we get 4x and 4 into 10 40. So we get 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. Now this 4x bring to left side. It will become minus 4x plus 40. That means 40. 5x minus 4x is equal to 1x. 1x means we can write x. So we get the answer x is equal to 40. Clear? Yes. Now we are going to next question. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So here 7x by 15, here 2x by 3. These two terms having x. So we can write these two terms together, the remaining constants together on right side. So what can we do, we can do one thing. This 7x by 15 bring to here, it will be minus 7x by 15. So the equation become as 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1. Now you want to understand, whenever it is fraction, we have to be more careful about the denominators. Here the denominators are 3 and 15. Before we go to add or subtract the fractions, the denominators should be equal. So to get the denominator, we need to find its LCM. That means common factors. So here 3 one time, here it is 5 time. Now there is no common factors. So we get the LCM is equal to 3 into 1 into 5. 3 1 3 3 5s are 15. So LCM is equal to 15. Now we got the answer. Here 15 is the LCM, but the number 3 is here. 5 is there other than 3. That can be multiplied on both sides. 5 into. What I am doing? To get this 15, I am multiplying with 5. 5 3s are 15. So we get the denominator 15 and 5 into 2 is equal to 10x minus 7x by 15, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Now same denominator is there, so we can write same denominator 15. 10x minus 7x is equal to 3x. So 3x is equal to 2. Just listen here. Here 3 and 15 is there, which is common. So we can cancel 3 1 time, 15 5 time. So we get x by 5 is equal to 2. And x is equal to this 5 transpose to right side. What will get? 5 into 2. So our answer it is that x is equal to 10. Okay. Now our ninth question, 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Here the y including term is on the left and right side. So we can bring this minus y to the left. Here already 2y is there. This minus y become plus y, which is equal to here 26 by 3. This plus 5 by 3 transpose to right side, it will be minus 5 by 3. 2y plus y is equal to 3y, which is equal to, here same denominator means we can write common denominator 3. 26 minus 5 is equal to 21. So we get the answer 3y is equal to 21 by 3 is equal to, we know that 21 divided by 3, 7 3s are 21. So the answer is 7. So we get y is equal to, this 3 is multiplying with y, if it is transposed to right side, it is on division 7 by 3. Okay? Yes. So we got ninth question answer, y is equal to 7 by 3. Now the last question, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. In this question, 5m is on the right side, here 3m is there. So what I am doing, this 5m is the biggest term which including m. So this 5m minus 8 by 5 is equal to 3m. What I did? Right side written on the left and left side written on the right side. Here it is not going to transpose. We know that this is equal to this means this will be equal to this. So right can be written on the left or left can be written on the right. Doesn't matter. So 5m is equal to, this minus 8 by 5 is there. Here 3m is there. This 3m bring to left side. It will be minus 3m. Now we are transposing. Minus 8 by 5 transpose to right side, it will be plus 8 by 5. Here, if it is taken 3m to left, there will not be any term. So, there is 0, 0 plus 8 by 5. 5m minus 8m is equal to 2m is equal to 8 by 5. Okay. Here 2m means 2 into m. Here 8 can be written as 2 into 4 by 5. Here 2 into can be written. Both sides 2 is there, that can be cancelled. If it is into. If it is addition symbol means it cannot be cancelled. So we got the answer m is equal to 4 by 5. So these are the solutions of the exercise 2.3. I expect you can easily solve it, and if there is any doubt, please pause the video and try to understand and revise it. Okay? Thank you.